Hello, my name is somebody, man, and I'm gonna teach you about Huntington disease. And we're just gonna jump right into it. So you can like people with ages between 30 and 50 have been seeing it, but you can get it even when you're 2 years old. So that's just false. Scientists like are lazing on the job. So like, what are you doing? Why are you getting your information wrong? Well, needless to say, when you get this disease, you're pretty much screwed. It affects all areas of the body, so you're just pretty much dead. Hooray! Congratulations. It affects the legs, arms, face, and upper body, as well as thinking, emotion, and memory. It's just like, it affects literally everything. The symptoms are like, if you get this, you'll get involuntary jerking of muscles, muscular contraction, problem with balance and gait stability, gait impairment, abnormal eye movement, and difficulty with speech and swallowing. Oh, wait, hold on a second. I'll get back to you. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm the doctor. How you doing? So, doctor, I don't know if I have the Huntington disease. The Huntington disease? Why do you not think you have the Huntington disease? Well, I don't know, all that stuff you just mentioned. I was like, oh my God, I think I have that. And then okay, well, we're gonna check you up, see if you're good or whatever. So, do I have it? Yes, you do. Congratulations, you just won the lottery. Anyway, so what can I do about that? Well, guess what, son? They ain't no cure for you. I'm gonna get fired. How did I even get this disease? Well, actually, it's actually an inherited disease. Like, you can get it from your parents, so pretty much you can blame your parents, please. Just like it's not your fault. It's just your parents' fault. They decided to meet up and then they decided to have a baby, which is you. And then you decided that you were gonna have that disease because why not? I don't understand. How come I didn't notice this before? Well, you see, you don't get signs until like the 30s or 40s. But again, you can get it like earlier. It's actually called juvenile Huntington disease you get it before 20. Is there anything you can do? I mean, we could like get some medications to help the symptoms, but the treatments can't prevent the physical, mental, and behavioral decline associated with the condition. Is there anything else I should know? Oh yeah. Your cognitive disorders. What is that? Basically stuff that you'll go like, it's wow, my life sucks. Anyway, so it goes like difficulty organizing, prioritizing, or focusing on tasks, lacks of flexibility or the tendency to get stuck on a thought, behavior, or action, lack of impulse control that can result in outbursts, acting without thinking, and sexual promiscuity, lack of awareness of one's own behavior and abilities, slowness in processing thoughts or finding words, difficulty in learning new information. Doctor, what? What am I supposed to do? Well, I don't know, bro. I think you should just write your will right now. I mean, like, instead of having a will, you should have a final flex. You just flex on them instead. Like, do you have a car? Nah, I don't have a car. Okay, well, you can't have a final flex. I mean, I would flex on them. Like, my flex would be like, I have a really nice car, and then nobody's touching it. So, let's say a little kid gets it. They'd have to deal with it. Well, I mean, like, it's a little bit different. I think it's even worse or better depending on how you see it. You'll get loss of, if you have juvenile Huntington disease, you'll get loss of previously learned academic or physical skills, rapid significant drop in overall school performance, and behavioral problems. And then you get contracted and rigid muscles that affect gait, changes in fine motor skills that might be noticeable in skills such as handwriting, tremors and slight involuntary movements, and seizures. How just one cell is enough to just one thing is enough to mess me up? Yeah, actually, if you get even one infected cell, then you're pretty much screwed. These cells are like damn powerful. Once these guys come in, then your life is pretty much messed up. Hooray! And how come like I couldn't like just get rid of it? Well, actually, if even one of your parents have the gene, then you're possibly going to have it as well. But that is to say, each person has a couple of chromosomes. You could get one from your other parent, and if they're healthy, then you could be completely fine. You have a 50% chance of inheriting the gene that caused the genetic disorder. And I just so happen to be unlucky enough to get it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm very unlucky. Unless both of your parents had the gene. In that case, you have 100% chance of getting the disease yourself. So, am I gonna die? Actually, it's juvenile Huntington disease that usually results in death within 10 years of the symptom development. It usually includes pneumonia or other infections, or sometimes they even fall to their death. And, complications related to the inability to swallow. So I say, yeah, you are about to die. Yo, Amin, why is your joke so dark, man? I don't like it. Okay, listen, we're talking about diseases here. We can't be kiddie here. Like, we can't be little kids about this, okay? Is that all? Yeah. Get out of my office. Yeah. I want to get infected with the Huntington disease. Huntington disease. Doctor? Yeah, what's up, doctor? You have the Huntington disease. What?